to Chakri Views, the definitive source for premium trading insights. This week's report, dated 22nd March 2025, is your gateway to powerful, actionable strategies that will give you the competitive edge you need. At Chakri Views, we don't deal with guesswork. Our meticulously researched trading strategies empower you to uncover your unique advantage for consistent growth. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just beginning your journey, our insights enable you to make bold, informed decisions with complete confidence. Connect with us at 877-8899-819 and join our thriving community across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. With our insights, you'll navigate the markets with clarity and purpose. Stay sharp, stay focused, and trade with unwavering confidence. Subscribe now for only 4,999 rupees for NSE or 7,777 rupees for MCX. This is your opportunity to invest wisely in your financial future with our premium trading calls and expert analysis. Now dissecting the trades from 17th, a day marked by significant market activity. Let's get right to it. This report outlines our intraday and position calls in NSE F&O and MCX FUT, crafted to empower you to navigate the markets and maximize your profits. Now, let's address the matter at hand. Today's result, a loss of 88,159 rupees. With an open carry forward positions in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We believe in complete transparency. Our goal is not to gloss over the losses. Instead, we present the real picture of trading comprising both victories and setbacks. What truly matters is grasping the strategy behind each trade and drawing valuable lessons from every experience. Keep in mind, these figures are calculated based on single lot and single target. Let's dissecting the trades from 18th March 2025, a day defined by strategic moves and calculated outcomes. Let's address the results head-on. Today's profit is 4,496 rupees. This figure demonstrates the effectiveness of our trading strategy, executed on a single lot and single target basis. Transparency is non-negotiable. We present every number, both wins and losses, so you can grasp the complete picture with clarity. Nifty and Bank Nifty have successfully surpassed the second target levels, and we focus on the first target levels for profit calculation, but open to the clients to make more of it. The trades from 19th March 2025 marked a remarkable day filled with significant gains and strategic execution, expertly crafted to empower you in navigating the markets and achieving impressive profit of 1,33,330 rupees. Let's get right to the exceptional performance. Our selected scripts not only hit their first targets but surged powerfully beyond second target levels. Specifically, add on second trading view with confidence we provided on MCX Silver. The COMEX Silver, MCX Silver and Gold exhibited tremendous momentum, validating the accuracy of our analysis and the robustness of our trading strategies. These impressive moves translated into substantial profits for our subscribers. Capitalizing on breakouts like these is essential for maximizing your returns, and we are confident in our ability to help you achieve outstanding results. Let's dive into the results. On 20th March, the profit stands at an impressive 90,677 rupees. This outcome reflects a strategic approach to trading, focusing on a single lot and single target basis. We prioritize transparency, presenting you with all the numbers, both wins and losses, so you can grasp the complete picture. Mastering market dynamics and executing trades with precision are essential for achieving consistent profitability. Notably, COMEX Silver and Gold, as well as MCX Silver, have surpassed our second target level. However, we remain focused on our single lot and single target calculations. On 21st March 2025, we carefully analyzed our trades, focusing on the calculated moves and strategic execution that characterized the day. We experienced a loss of 52,637 rupees, which we openly share because transparency is essential to our approach. We believe in showing both our wins and losses to provide a complete and honest picture of our trading journey. It's important to recognize that trading carries risks and that not every day yields profits. However, the learning and insights gained from these experiences are what ultimately shape our path to success. We are taking a deep dive into our performance for the week ending 21st March 2025 and thrilled to present the results. We achieved a total of 66 calls this week, showcasing an impressive hit ratio that highlights the accuracy of our analysis and the effectiveness of our trading strategies. We've meticulously broken down our performance into buy calls and sell calls, ensuring complete transparency. Now, let's focus on the bottom line. This week, we generated a profit of 87,707 rupees. This figure is a true testament to our strategic approach and disciplined execution. We are not just in the business of making calls, we are committed to delivering consistent and profitable results. A vital factor behind our success this week was our strategic use of carry-forward trades. We identified high-potential opportunities and held those positions to maturity, resulting in significant profits. This demonstrates our capability to not only pinpoint short-term opportunities but also capitalize on longer-term trends. This is where the precisely premium aspect of our service stands out. We go beyond mere intraday calls, actively seeking opportunities that maximize your returns. For MCX, subscribe for 7,777 rupees and for NSE F&O, it's 4,999 rupees. Call and connect with us at 87,788 to 99,819 to get started on your path to success.
Kind attention to all, equity investments involve 100% market risk. It's crucial to consult your financial advisor, as I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This channel serves educational purposes only, and the admins are not liable for any financial losses you may incur. By being part of this group, you acknowledge the inherent risks of the stock market, MCX, and any kind of investments, and no legal claims will be entertained. Thank you.